Hello everyone and welcome to Hashtag Network. In this video, I will show you how to create and format a table in Excel and make a table look organized. So let's get started. First, let's enter our data. Here is a sample of data set. We will start with a title of the table, which will be employee record. And let's enter our column data. There will be an employee ID, name, department, salary. So this is our column data, but as you can see, our data is bigger than our cells. Let's expand our column by coming at the center of the column and click and drag it, and we will do the same here and here. And let's enter our data. Okay, employee ID, we will start with 1, 2, and let's fill series. Okay, and the name here will be John, department IT, and salary 5,000. And here will be a mic, finance, okay, 51,000. So this is our data for our table. I'm going to zoom in to make more interesting. Okay, so now we are going to make a table look good. Okay, first I'm going to make a header at the center and bold it. So first click at the first row and drag it at the end of the table and come to the home tab, and there is a merge center. So click at merge center and header will be at center, and the cell will be merged into a one big cell. So I'm going to make it bold and I'm going to increase. Okay, and I'm going to make it also a bold. And now I'm going to shade it the title of the table. So I will go to the fill color and I will choose the color I want. So for today I will choose this color, and here I will choose, okay, let's put this color. But also I'm going to increase another thing here. It will be a total for the total salary. So also I'm going to make it color. Now table is needed to have a border, so I'm going to highlight all table and go to the border and click at all border. So as you can see, the table we will have a border. So for instance, I'm going to increase a data. So I'm going to show you how to increase a row. So go to the number where it's represent a row, right click at the number and go and click at insert, and the row will be inserted. Just I will change here, will be a 7. Okay, here let's put 8, name, machine, department, IT, and salary 55. And to insert the column, you will do the same. Click at the alphabet which represent a column, right click and select insert. The column will be inserted automatically. And to delete it, right click and select delete, and the column will be deleted. Also here, if you want to delete, right click and select delete, and the column will be deleted. And that is, now you know how to increase and format table in Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Hashtag Network for more Excel tutorial. See you in the next video.